Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with a Mamod SP6, and this is a slide valve offering from Mamod, a little at the higher end of their spectrum there. And I've got my burner under it, and it has this nice big tray here burning, and it's a fine little runner. I've seen that they put the oil displacer in various different places over the years. I think now it's right there. Put a little Teflon packing in there to make it a little tighter and seal a little better, and it seems to have worked. Most of these seem to have an untrue flywheel, and I think mainly that's it because it just has so much movement here in the holder. It's not that they're really untrue. And putting it up a little bit. Fine little runner, and these are bi-directional. Has a slip eccentric there to allow that to do it, just like Walesto. Alright, let's take a little bit closer look. Here we are. Pretty nice red base. I do like the Mamod cast chimney. The exhaust seems to exit under the base. That better put a paper towel under there. And it's quite an efficient little engine. It'll run for a long time at a low heat setting with a full tank. Well, thanks for watching, folks. St. Paul Steam saying have a nice day.